Hi, my name is Daphne McLean. I'm your instructor. Welcome to Math 1060. I just wanted to show you some brief things to get through this class. Hopefully you've had Math 1050 prior to this. If you haven't, you may want to take it first. We use the same book for both classes. The first half is 1050, the second half is 1060. Okay. What I'd like you to do is, when you're done watching this video, I'd like you to read this and go step by step. I wrote it very carefully so you wouldn't get lost in what to do. Okay, so let's go over this menu. We have announcements, but I don't make the announcements there. I just copy what I do here. This is considered the home page. I put my announcements here in the first of the week. Then let's go to modules. If you haven't been to modules before, and there's a couple things that are important to see there. This right here is instructor resources, so you won't see that. Let's go a little bit down. Okay, right here it says faculty information. You can click on that, and there is my phone number and the degrees that I have. There's my picture. And remember, it's Pacific time. So don't call like 9 o'clock in the morning. Your time is 6 a.m. my time. Please call Pacific time between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Okay. Let's go back to modules so you can see other things that are important to take a look at. All right. Okay, go to module 1. Oh, not yet. Let's go up here. Right here, assignment summary. This is probably one of the most important things to point out. I print this out, and it is the schedule of what we do in every module. It has the points and the days that assignments are due. Here's module 1 right here. Now, we're not allowed to collect late work, so make sure you work ahead instead of working behind. And there's always like one freebie that I'll give because life does happen and some kind of circumstance may come up. But they don't happen all the time, so you only get that one time. So there's module 1, module 2. So go by these dates of when things are due. On the first week, I'll fudge a little bit on this because sometimes people don't come to class till Tuesday. And here you can see we have something due on Tuesday. All right, so that is assignment summary. Make sure to print that out and look at that daily. Okay, back to modules. We're going to look at module 1 is where we will be starting. My computer takes a while to get down there. Okay. So you can go in order, reassignment, getting started with My Math Lab. Again, you do not need the code from the book to start right away. If you read the directions that I left at the beginning on homepage, everything will be clear. You don't have to worry about that. Engagement. Now, every module has engagement, which means you're going to participate in discussions, and that is 20 points. Now, the discussions that are posted, they list like the grade will be 0 points, but that's not true. That's just how it works within the system. It doesn't really show a grade, but they are, each post is worth 3 points, and you're to post 7 times during the week. Make sure to read this. This has specific directions. Worked out problems, these are hand typed on Word documents. So make sure to read those directions as well. And these right here will be done on the My Math Lab, which is the online math program to do the homework. And then there's our quiz. So that's the first week. Okay, let's go back. Discussions. Here is where you will post discussions that I was talking about that are 3 points each to do 7 times per week. First thing to do is to introduce yourself. And here we will have a video that you can watch from module 1. And here's Ask Daphne forum, where you can ask me questions other than math questions. All right, so down below MyLab and Mastering, this is where you access the online class. So you click on there and then you click on this button and it'll take you there. Grades is where you can see what your grades are, and they transfer from the My Math Labs to here as well. Alright, something I highly suggest is we have free tutoring services to sign up as soon as possible, and they will schedule someone to work with you one-on-one online, and they'll help you with all the assignments. But you got to make sure and sign up sooner than later before you become overwhelmed. This class is fast-paced and more difficult than the previous class 1050. Okay. Let's see. Well, that's about it. So what I'd like you to do now, after watching this video, is go to home and read all this. Do step by step by step, and it'll make it easy for you to begin. Okay, have a good session. See you soon.